Well guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. Welcome to Hartung Family Farms. Today it is Friday, November 2nd, and I am currently working on firing up the dryer right now. So I just turned on the monitor, and I flipped the breaker switch, which is in here, or vice versa I should say. It's a big 300 amp breaker. So I just turned those on, letting that warm up. I'm gonna either fire up the dryer or do a little bit miscellaneous other stuff. Pat is on his way up to Bellevue right now. To try and fix the corn head that Nathan broke last night. I think he just had a head side issue. So he's gonna go fix that. Brian and Bun are on their way up to Kuno's to start combining corn up there. And my dad's gonna run grain cart with Pat up at Bellevue. And then Richard and I are gonna be hauling trucks. So that's really the plan right now. We have 6 people up here. We wish we had another person, but Nathan will be back here shortly. So we'll go ahead and get on her, but I'm just kind of doing some odds and ends stuff around here before I take off. Alrighty, in case you guys are wondering, I'm not wearing my John Deere hat anymore. It's a little cold out. It's like 45 degrees right now. I'm a little cold, so decided not to wear that today and wear a hat that covers me up. But in case you guys are curious, we wearing all case equipment, well, why do I have a John Deere hat? Well, in case you guys don't know, I actually work for John Deere. I'm an engineer at the Harvester Works. So, and I get hats there occasionally. So if Case will give me a hat, I'd wear that, but I wear Deere hats. Alrighty guys, so there goes Richard. He's gonna go start up his truck, grab something to eat, and then head to Bellevue. Brian's gonna take the 25, which is sitting right here. Corn head's already up at Kuno's. He's gonna head up to Kuno's. The grain cart's already up there, I think. So he's gonna head up to Kuno's and start combining up there. I'm gonna take the new truck, the 2013 truck, with the older Timpy trailer, and I'm gonna take that up to Bellevue and swap trucks into the 99, the Century class, with the brand new, with the old trailer. And I'm gonna take that up here, dump it, and then head up, and I'm gonna haul for Brian, who will be up at the Kuno farm. So that's the plan right now. So Brian, Bun, and myself will be at the Kuno farm, and Rich, Pat, and my dad for right now are going to be at up at Bellevue. So that's the plan right now. See, I'm already winning over her affection. It's a cute little kitty, aren't ya? Still got some warming up to do. Smells like natural gas. Burner 1 temperature. We only want a 1 burner right now. Let the other one on so it starts cooling down. But we're up to full speed. We could probably start doing it. There's the baby kitty's mom. Hi, baby kitty mom. Yeah. Real quick before I go up and grab something to eat, just so you guys are in the loop, you got the 644 Brent gravity wagon, the good one, on the 7120. We got our rake all the way in the back there in front of the chopper. We got our New Holland FR 9060 with our Drago 8-row corn head right here, because we still got 2 days worth of chopping to do. We got our rake and our 1060, one of our 1066 tractors, because we still got 450 corn stalk bales to make, which is why we also have our Maxim 190 on our round baler, our Case RB 564 5x6 round baler. We also got our vac over here, our Conveyor 4005. So that's what we got going on. Basically everything in here is a necessity to what we're gonna be doing in the next week or two. We still got 2 days with the chopping, the gravity wagon obviously, because it's harvest. We got our corn stalk baling equipment. So then we're gonna clean this shed out, and I'll get a surprise for you guys. I know a lot of you guys haven't seen this type of thing before, but got a surprise. Drop in the comments if you guys think you know what I'm gonna do. Give you a hint. Brian's taking off, and I'm Excuse me. Now I'm gonna go over and start up my semi. It's over there. Semi. Skidoo. Here's our inline ripper that we haven't used in years. Probably 4 to 5 years, my best guess. And we got our big 12-inch Mayrath auger. I don't even know how many feet it is. 80? 60? I don't know. 60? On our 1060, another one of our 1066 turbos. And there's 50 cornstalk bales that we made. Found your brother. They don't like me very much yet.
No, I
can feel myself sinking to the earth every step I walk because I ate so much. Man, that was good, especially when she has steak. Ugh, can't get over it. All right, let's head to Bellevue. Made it. One minor detail. Much better. Man, switching trucks so much I forget where the levers are. Raise the steering wheel up. So now what I do when I just connect to a new trailer, and I know I did, I try and pull away and see if the brakes hold. And they do. So now I release them. By the way, this truck was on the bull rack yesterday because we went and got cattle, or sold a load of cattle last night. So we'll head off and we'll head to Bellevue. Alrighty guys, just got up to Bellevue. Looks like Pat plugged up there. So we got all three good semis up here. All three semis, I should say. And hopper bottoms. So we got our 99 right here. Our 2013 truck here, or 13 is what we're gonna call it. And we got the 93 up there. There's Pat. My dad running grain cart. So I need to go either open the tarp or do something for him. And I'm gonna go start this truck up and get her going. Smells great. Replace the sensor. Pat must be changing his settings on the combine. Let's go take a look at his tank real quick. Not too bad. A little bit of cob and a little bit of leaves. You'll have a little bit, but he's probably just tightening down his concave a little, or his upper sieve is what Case calls it. Is what my guess is. Oh, a little bit of cap corn. That's how you change the setting on a combine.
Easy, buddy. Will this fill you then?
What's that?
This fill
Yeah,
you?
this will fill me. Got anything to say to the fans, bud man?
Hi, Shane. Hi, Tate.
Alrighty, I'm as full as I'm gonna get, guys. We're not gonna fill this trailer up full because it's an old trailer. So we're having a problem with this new combine, with the new head. See that, all that crap there? They're actually ingesting too much corn for the hills and it overloaded the sieves into the fan. Went into the fan so it didn't blow much. So this last half grain tank was a little dirty, but she'll clean out. That was a deer that wouldn't happen with the active terrain adjustment. Just saying. But alrighty, I'm gonna go tarp this up and we'll head back to Preston. Ew, manual labor. Yuck. And yes, for as old as this trailer is, the tarp is not bowed. Time to take the old-ish truck and trailer back home. But first, I'm just gonna pull this out of the way, move these trucks back. And then head back, and then head to Preston. Where do you want to load at?
Oh, right up here on the hill, I suppose.
Okay. Do you want to meet? Yeah, I was gonna say it ran crappy for a little bit on the way up here, then it just went away. What he means by that is the turbo quits working. For some reason that happens, so we'll just have to deal with it, as he said. Alrighty, my truck is moved. Rich's truck to the right, mine's on the left. Let's head home and then head to the Kuhnels. I'm probably gonna have a semi waiting for me, or the quad waiting for me. Alrighty, guys. So I just left. I'm driving our Super 10 transmission. So it's basically, I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Essentially 10 transmission, but you never have to split it. Split the gear up and down. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna head to Bellevue. Sorry, head from Bellevue to Preston. Go dump that load and head up to Kuhnels. Listen to this engine brake as I go down the hill though. Oh yeah. By the way, the turbo's not acting up. I got plenty of power. Oh yeah. We're just gonna listen to this baby all the way down the hill. Alright guys, just got to Preston, dumped the first load and the first load of corn into the wet bin and into the dryer because it's running. And it's about 5-6 days. It's been rained out for a while, so got the old 99 Century Class Freightliner in the mirror hopper bottom. So that's what I'm running with right now. This thing's almost out of fuel, so I think I'm gonna probably end this video here. It's already getting longer than I would like, I think. So just one thing, I got a question for you guys. So what do you guys like for your length of videos? If you guys wouldn't mind, drop me a comment, shoot me a message on Instagram, do something. I'm just curious, do you guys like your videos right around 10 to 15 minutes? Or do you like longer ones? So today I'm probably gonna do 2 15-minute videos, something like that. Just because I don't like making really long videos, but what do you guys want? This channel is all about you guys, so what do you guys want? Do you guys want 1 half-hour long video? Or do you guys like 2 15-minute videos released close together? So let me know in the comment section down below, shoot me a message, whatever you guys want. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Hartung Family Farms. Be sure to turn on your post notification bell. And like I said, subscribe if you guys haven't. I appreciate all the support lately. We're already at 2,000 subscribers on Instagram. Did I just say Instagram? 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. That is crazy, guys. Thank you guys so much for all the support. And again, a lot of more videos come. We're only about halfway done with harvest, so hope you guys enjoy. And of course, as always, ta-ta for now. Woo! Thank you guys so much.